Kumshi banta ban pen sapriang shaki longdien ya ka jingya lenti ka jilla hakine ki sanphosnam nakaliang ka Indian National Trust of Arts and Cultural Heritage kala penlong ya ka photo exhibition ha convention center Shillong kabala pli do menteri rangba ka jilla u Conrad Kongal sangma ha ka santarik u jemmang hajar arpo ar kini ki dor ki dei ki bala lum lalang ye ki dor ki banadu ki por bala leng ki ba kenthop ye ki dor jung ki nong yelam ki bala yelam me ka jella ha kini ki sanphos nem ka dor jung ki jaj ben riu ha ka jella hala ka riam ten rai ki dor halor ka shat ten rai ki jaj ben riu ki dor jung ki jaka ba pau nam jung ki ting shop ki puran ka Bollywood ki bala wan ban yu ka jat sha ka jella Meghalaya bat ki dor jung ki riu pau khman ki bala wan hiar sha ka ne ka jella Bon na kini ki dor ki dei ki bala shondo Nongshondur ba pau nam ba hakari India barok ka wei u Ahmed Hussain hakaba nakaliang ka INTACH kalala ru banlum banlang ye ki dor ki bala rem bha jong ki riu pau khman men ba ki la yu kajat shaka jella Habakran hakane kasi nakaliang u Ahmed Hussain ulayathu ikajingya lenti jong u shwa banlong ko munong shandur bapau hakari hakaba shwa banpoi shaka kerdan ulamat shibun kijing ulayo ban shanduri ka jingele thma house nam kharkhandai spa nyo phuwei habakhi ka thma Bangladesh ulayo ban shanduri ka sngi bayo jinglai loit ka Bangladesh hasilhan batkumta terter ulas dang ban le chikiwei ki jilla ka north east banyo ban shon ni ki dor jing ki jai ban riu ba pher ka riam ka beit ten rai na ki wei pat ki jilla
person in our midst today, and I'm sure listening to his speech and his story, you would be able to relate to the contributions that he has made, not just to the state of Meghalaya, but the entire Northeast as well as the country as a whole. Our Commissioner Secretary Tourism, Director Tourism, Kong. Of details, a lot of times people don't realize, you just think that there's a phone and just click like that. But there are a lot of details that you need to capture on a camera. And nowadays, with so much of technology available in camera, the kind of adjustments you need to make, so you need to exactly know what kind of focus to have. It's very complicated, so I tried my hand at it and I just gave up. I came back to the iPhone. So that's how it was. But if you really go into professional photography today, it's not that simple. It's really complicated. So therefore, I must appreciate the work that has been put in, not just by Mr. Hussain, but by all the people who have collected the photographs. I'm told that even one of our officials, Kong Ramona, also has given some of the photographs. I'm sure she didn't click it, but it was there in her archives. But like that, there are many people who have contributed to this. And what I would want from the department and from all of you is that I think we should continue this. And this should become something that we should do on a more regular basis. The way we have started promoting and pushing music, for example, music is something that we felt our people were very passionate about. And therefore, we have a program called this Grassroots Movement for music, where we're supporting musicians to perform in different locations, that is engaging the artists at the same time giving a taste of our music and the skills to the tourist. Similarly, programs where we can support these skills also, where our youngsters who are interested in photography can also be supported, and we could have programs. We should have programs in the future. We had the literary festival. We keep having the music festival. We should also have a program and a festival on photography. And I think this is a way to promote things, apart from the fact that we're having this exhibition today, which is more linked towards the heritage of the state. And I would sincerely urge everyone, if we could have more of the photographs also to do with other aspects of culture, other aspects of sports, other aspects of music. We have none of that out here. People are quite bored seeing politicians' photographs. So you only have the politicians out there, which is fine, which is great. It's part of the history. But it would be nice to see sports and other aspects. I've seen those beautiful pictures of the caves and everything. So those caving photographs also should be there. I think that's also something that is kind of an asset of the state. So I think anything where people can connect and learn more about the state, I strongly feel those aspects also should be added to this exhibition. And I hope, I was being told that this exhibition will be taken around, and we'll be having different locations where this will be put up. We should do that. And on a closing note, I just would like to say that we have realized as a government also, I keep stressing on this, and it's very important, but we realize that the documentation that the governments and the departments and the state as a whole that we have not been doing in the last 50 years is something that is seriously a great kind of a loss for us. There are so many important moments we were not able to capture.